Let's continue with our work with JavaScript, and we're going to continue with functions and also going to look into the return here. So using a return alongside a function. Now this basically means when you use a return statement in a function, you're kind of also stopping the function from executing. So you're telling it once you return whatever we're going to create, you also need to stop executing the function here. This kind of means that also the word return, we're going to also return the value, and we are able to use this value all over the place if we want to. So it's a little bit more, we just need to add a little bit more to what we already did with some of our code we already did. But let's just jump right into it and see what that can actually look like. So I'm just going to create a function here, and I stole this right off W3 School. So if you have seen this before, then that's probably why. So even the same name, we're going to use this standard one here. So a function called add two numbers, and we're going to pass in our x and y. That's cool. So if we wanted to pass in information, we would call the function by name and passing the two numbers. Then inside our function, we want to use our return in here. So let's type return, and that means whatever is being passed through and run through this function, we're going to kind of store it so we can use it. And we're going to create a basic math here. So we're going to do x plus y in this case. So we're returning the value of x plus y. That's the function. That's all we need for the function. And to call the function, we need to do add two numbers like this, and then like 2.3. And that's kind of a function. That will mean we'll pass 2 into x's position, 3 into y's position, and then it's going to calculate them or add them together, which will equal to 5, and then it's returning the number 5 to us, so we can use this. If we do this, we go to a page, we won't really see anything because we only have the function ready. If we want to see it over here, or over here, the value, we need to call it, of course. So using our console log, like this, or you can do document get element by ID, really up to you. But put this, well, we're just going to copy this one from up here, this one here, add two numbers, punch them in here, and have it like this. So this was just being copied in, and we're just putting it into a console log, and let's go check out to see if something is being printed out here. So now we're printing out 5. And that's just to show you real quick that we can store or return what values in our function and then use them on our page somewhere. That's a quick basic introduction to function here, and we're just going to continue adding a little bit more in the next couple of videos with this.